Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So when it comes to know that why this Python language is, of course, it would be something which could be helpful to create some relation between some variables and some group of things to arrange them or to rearrange them like that. Short of that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So every certain things have certain value and could be of some different data. Like if something have a value, it can be different numbers. Either it can be integers or it can be like floats. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the data could be anything. Like it can be information. Okay, like in form of a string. Okay,
Right.
or it can be like numeric values.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was telling you that either in a integer form or in a okay.
Mm-hmm.
So value is fundamental thing. Okay,
Right.
like you can say that it could be the combination of both, either letter and the numbers, or it
Mm-hmm.
could be anything, either letter or numbers. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and with the help of these things, the program could be manipulated or created, or the algorithm could be written. Okay,
Right.
as per the output we are looking for. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so if I say that like data, it is a number. The number could be positive or the number could be negative.
Negative.
Okay, numbers are like yeah, differentiated as whole numbers or integers. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
integers are basically known as float. The
Right.
value of pi, suppose that the value of pi, the value of gravity is 9.18,
Mm-hmm.
then it is the example of float. Okay,
Right. Mm-hmm.
okay. So I hope you understood these things.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So uh, arithmetic operators are okay. So this is the operator is a different thing. Okay. So let's
Mm-hmm.
start to create some data type. Okay. For that,
Right.
I'm sharing my screen with you on the different
Mm-hmm.
screen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. So suppose that if I have a equals to suppose that 15.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And if I want to print this a, if I have a equals to okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it takes time because it's like online.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah, it is showing 15. Okay.
15. Right. Mm-hmm.
So I have a value, I have a thing a, and its
Mm-hmm.
value is 15. First of
Right.
all, let me say you something,
Mm-hmm.
clear you something, that whenever we assign any variable, we assign
Mm-hmm.
either with alphabets or
Mm-hmm.
we either choose this underscore and then we use 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. Okay,
Right. Mm-hmm.
you can't anything like you can't print thing like I was saying that a is equal to 15. It doesn't mean that 15 equals to a. Okay,
Right. Got you.
if you'll print this 15, it will show
Mm-hmm.
you 15 plus a. What it is a error. Why?
Right. You have to be
Because
very
cannot,
specific.
yeah, exactly. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose that we have certain things like a equals to suppose that variables. I was talking about variables. That variables can be anything, either an information or a number or a like a numbers in terms of integer and in terms of float. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
that I am going to assign month. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So month I am assigning here like
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Right.
So this is the first information about month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now I am
Mm-hmm.
printing this. Make make it simple. Do you know that Python is a case sensitive thing?
Yes, I'm aware about that, and I'm also practicing on some other software. I mean, I wanted to guys send you a video. I think I sent it to somebody that I created something really small. I mean,
Okay, that's good.
so let me ask you this: why it changes the color? Did you see like when you type the January, it
Mm.
changes the color to red, and when you put the number, it's green.
Okay, so it is basically the reason is behind this that I was using this.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay,
Semicolons, yes.
semicolons because this is a numeric thing. So I was thinking that to not use this. Okay,
Okay.
I will explain this columns. It
Mm-hmm.
is of three type, and I will explain everything with you in this session. So
Okay.
uh, initially, I have month equals to January, and in print, when I like I wanted to print it, okay, then I'm this using this information 31. So the 31 could be the days in a month. Okay,
Right. Mm-hmm.
okay. So similarly, you can also choose that a month, okay,
Mm-hmm.
could have 31 days and 24 hours.
Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it is 744
744.
hours. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and if you want to uh, change it like with um, minutes, then you need to multiply with 60. Okay, then
Right.
this is 44,640 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly,
Wow.
so we
Okay.
have we have this information that we need to we have a data name,
Mm-hmm.
a variable name month, which is
Mm-hmm.
varying with different, which could be used for different things. Like the input we are providing, and according to that input, we have the output. So
Mm-hmm.
first we have the information that month is January, and the
Mm-hmm.
January in second we have that it has 31 days, and
Mm-hmm.
in third that it has 31 into 24 hours, that was the value, and we multiply with 60, we have this 44,640 minutes. If you
Mm-hmm.
similarly wants to convert in seconds, you
Mm-hmm.
need to put another like uh,
Mm-hmm.
like 60.
Mm-hmm. So what
Okay,
sign are you using it? Is it like times or is just a comma or semicolon?
what please
I
repeat.
couldn't really see it. It's like really small, not like it's really small, you know?
Okay, so the fonts are small.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using this 31 multiplied by 24.
Okay, okay, got you, got you, got you. Okay,
Okay,
I like
so
that.
you can use shift and 8.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this 60 is multiplied by, first I am converting it in minutes, then I have to multiply with 60.
Right,
And again, I have to multiply with this 60. If you
right.
again want to convert this, if suppose that if you have the things,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and you have additional 60. What will you do? Simply, okay. So
Uh-huh.
I divided with 60. So now it is
Right.
giving a mere minute. Again,
Right.
what I'm going to do is that I'm removing 160 and dividing this minute with another 60 and converting it into hours.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this is
Right.
744 hours. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So
Gotcha.
in this, yeah, in this, with this example, I was trying to give you a glimpse the type of variables, and
Mm-hmm.
with that type I also try to create a example with a string. This is a string, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
this is a numeric values, okay, numbers,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Any problem so far?
No, so far it's okay.
Okay. And again, if you want to like check this,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to check this, then simply you can do this type and one, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and check it. It is a string. Can you see that?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this one is the 31st. Okay.
Right.
And again, I am checking the type. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So Piyush, when you're putting a month by the day, you're putting underscore, right? Month underscore one.
Yeah, I just use this underscore one. If I want to use this month, I can also use that. Okay. So this
Okay.
is this is an integer. 31 is what
Mm-hmm.
it is. It is integer. Let me now. Is it perfect?
No, no, no.
So
I
yeah.
was just wondering the way you
No,
put
no,
it.
no, no.
Like if we have to put it like that
If
way,
you
I'm
have any
just
confusion or any doubt, you can ask me directly. Okay, like
yeah,
your
because
doubt has been cleared now.
right. Because it's what I noticed that it's you have to be very particular. Even if you miss like single thing, it just ruins the whole
Yeah,
programming.
exactly.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, this is the thing we need to understand that a minor mistake can lead